So hi guys, it's your boy Mo the Barber and I'm back again today with another video guys. This one is special guys. Today I'm giving my little cousin Ajay his first haircut, okay guys? Stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe and comment guys. Let's go enjoy this haircut together. I'll be showing you guys how to do a kid's haircut step by step from beginning to the end, okay guys? So make sure you stay tuned. Let's go. So okay guys, this is my little cousin Ajay here. See how much hair he has guys. All this hair guys is coming off today. We're gonna give him a low haircut, something similar to a high top today, okay guys? He's quite excited to get this haircut guys. Okay guys, Ajay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go. First haircut, Ajay. Wow. Are you excited? Are you excited, Ajay? Yes? Hands down, hands down.
Don't put your hands in.
Good boy. Good boy. Whoa, Ajay's squirting his water gun, guys. Guys, we're in Barbados and it's like 30-something degrees today, guys. It was raining a bit earlier, but it's nice and hot right now.
What is window here?
Guys, let's kickstart this haircut now. Today, guys, I'm using the Andes, the Bubbles, and the walls. I'm using these walls to fade his hair. I'm using these Andes to do the outlines. And I'm just going to use this just to do the detail work, guys. And these are my guards here, as you usually know. They're my afros, my combs, my razors, and stuff like that. Guys, let's get this haircut started. Enough talking, guys. Ajay's getting excited now. Guys, one secret I can give you, though. When you're cutting kids' hair, you got to be very patient. But at the same time, you don't want the kid to sit too long. Okay, guys? So first of all, we're going to cut off all this hair, guys. There's no time wasting. We're taking it all off. Okay? You're gonna give it a little comb, Ajay. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, Ajay. Good boy. Alright. So now that I know how his hair is growing, guys, I can see the obstacle bone is right under here. So I'm gonna kickstart the haircut and get that all off. Okay, guys, this is the first chop for Ajay, okay? This is the first chop. Wow. Wow, good boy. Good boy, Ajay. Well done. Wow. Well done. Well done, baby. Well done. Okay, guys, can we get a bite? There, Ajay, here's a hair. This is yours. Wow, you wetting it? Okay, Ajay, I'm going to leave your hair here, okay? That's for mommy and daddy. Okay.
Wow. Wow, you have never seen. He's still boo-boo.
Mommy, what the?
Good boy. Well done, Ajay. You're doing very well. Wow.
Come on, do that, Ajay.
Wow. You're doing very well. If you sit like a big boy, I'm gonna get you loads of ice cream. Do you like ice cream, Ajay?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm gonna get you some ice cream. Do you like chocolate ice cream? Yes? This is my machine. Do you want to touch it? No, don't wet it. Touch it.
Touch it.
Touch it. Wow. I'm gonna cut your hair with it, okay?
Okay.
Yes? Good boy. Wow, first stroke. Come this side. Let's see the first stroke. Wow, well done. Well done. Wow. Doing very well. Very, very well. Good boy. I'm super proud of you, Ajay. You're doing very well. Wow. Good boy. Okay, we're getting the shape going. That's the first level there. We can do the back now, Ajay. Go down at the back.
Go down.
Look down a little bit, baby. Good boy. Wow. AJ is so brave. Mommy and Daddy gotta get AJ some ice cream. Wow. AJ, what car is your favorite car, AJ? What do you like playing with? What toys do you like using? Monster trucks?
Mixer.
Mixer?
A few moments later.
Wow. Hold on now. Be laughing. Everybody start to cry now. Don't move.
Don't move.
Don't move.
If you move, we're gonna
Still
cut you,
like a
okay?
big boy. Remember, we can go get ice cream. Good job. Did you even get gummy bears on your ice cream? Do you want marshmallows?
If you move, we're gonna cut you,
Gummy worms?
AJ. Don't move.
And what else do you want? M&M? And chocolate sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles? Rainbow sprinkles. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Two scoops. That's a lot of ice cream. Not a lot. Just some. What flavor ice cream? Vanilla? Or a blue ice cream? Cotton candy? How about cookies and cream ice cream? No cookies and cream? It's got cookies in it, chocolate cookies. No? Alright. You're being so brave. Look at that, look.
Very good boy, AJ.
Leo can't believe that you're sitting so still.
Give it to Juju.
Nice, yeah.
Give it to Juju. Let him
I'm
go.
doing more.
So
You're looking handsome, AJ. I just gotta do this side, level it out one more time, and do the back. Oh, done.
You can't even
AJ
feel
is a
anything.
strong boy.
Mm-hmm.
AJ is a super brave boy. Mommy and Daddy can get AJ all the ice cream in the shop.
Still.
Let's see. Get down for me, AJ.
Hold on.
Get down. Good boy.
Nice.
Look down, all the way down. Good family. AJ, you're my favorite cousin, yeah? You're the bravest boy in the world. You're so strong. Head up now. Good boy, man. Well done. Who's so brave? That's my cousin?
No,
That's my favorite cousin? You're my cousin.
He's
man.
Leo
Look at
cousin.
that.
He's saying he's Leo cousin.
Yeah.
me just change.
Oh, look at my scissors. Can I use my scissors on your hair? Don't touch it. Touch it. It's okay. Yeah. You trim off these bits.
Apple?
Maybe you don't know by that name.
I will go show you it.
Oh yeah, we call it what is it, sugar apple?
Wait, it's okay, it's okay.
Can't move, buddy.
Wait, we get done now. Alright.
We call it June plum.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sugar apple.
You're doing well. You're doing well.
It's okay, baby.
AJ. The one the man told
Alright.
plum. Which one was that? He said it was plum.
Okay.
Alright, boo boo. Alright.
Want to get any
What's
sugar?
he doing? He got beach?
Okay. I just saw when they come and ask you for it.
Alright.
Okay.
You know why you want
Don't move, boo boo. That's a different spot there. That's a different spot.
See? That one thick and easy. Nice.
Top there?
Oh, on top. Nice. Good
No,
job.
your face.
Alright, turn. Let me see if you like it. Let me try to do the front then.
Yeah, let me do it at the top.
You let me
Okay,
do it
at
top.
top.
Sit straight then. Sit straight.
Your head straight.
Good job.
Lick it at top.
Wait, car. Wait, monster.
Okay, that's up top.
Good job.
Don't put your hand up there, baby. Alright, now. Wait, now we started. So we gonna finish
Yeah,
it.
Baba.
Okay.
He gonna finish now. He gonna finish. He gonna finish now. Just relax.
Alright, boo-boo. That's not hurting.
Good
You're brave,
job.
boy.
Nice. I liking it. I liking it. Don't move. I liking it. Looking good. Wow. It's so cool. Nice, buddy. Look up. Look up. Nice. I like it. I like it. Marius gonna finish. I like it. Don't move, buddy. Nice. Nice haircut, man. Good job. Like it, yeah?
Mommy, just wait.
Because as you don't move, okay?
Don't move, buddy. Doing one more. Don't move.
Standing from Carnival and with him on the hill.
Ah, girl, I want soap mine so bad.
Don't move, Baba. You can't move. Can't move. Good job.
It's okay.
Good job. Don't move. Don't move.
You in the bus?
Good job, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Look like snow.
Good job. Don't move here.
Yeah, but it's not.
Mm-hmm. We can fill up the pool somewhere.
Yeah. More deeper.
Fuller.
Cover. And touch the end.
Touch the brim, top.
Yeah.
To the tippy top.
And touch the end.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't shake your feet. Don't shake.
Don't move, Baba.
Good condition on water.
I went. Like that, get on. Sometimes.
And I think end up playing in that direction. What happened? The wind changed.
Mommy, what are your car doing? She can do a back foot.
God, I can see. You know good. I thought you weren't supposed to be watching this. You know real good what you can do. And you're really bad, but he crashed.
Do that, yeah.
So, what for the others? What that? Go for the others?
Mario,
Go potatoes.
Mario,
Oh, yeah.
Chicken and some coleslaw.
Can I move it?
Can I buy it tomorrow or today?
you buying me
You
for
get it
me?
today, you get this
Want
evening,
me
or you get it tomorrow, whichever.
You can't move it there. Can't move.
Me want to go with me picture.
What is this?
I used to be so racist in church and they stopped assisting me.
Close your eyes.
Don't move, buddy.
That
The tablet. Don't move.
Just leave my veg for when they come home. Veg and salad, then I would do on Sunday. Baked chicken, sure, everything the oven.
Eddie!
That's how it's going to do it. So I prepare everything when they come. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we over here.
Half of what you wrap in the fridge. Go back and finish it later. Never get all eat. I don't want to know something. This is get but hope. Right behind you.
Okay, guys. So we're finishing AJ haircut now. And this is AJ's first haircut, guys. His first haircut.
I don't want no picture.
He don't want no picture, guys. I believe he's happy with his haircut, but he don't want no pictures.
Everything that I want.
Okay, let's get you out of the chair, okay? Don't move, family. Don't move. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, family.
I get off.
1 minute, cuz. Don't move yet. 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't move. Look down for me. Look down. Look down. Look down for me.
Don't on the floor, right? Good boy. Oh, you're good.
Okay, we ain't got to shape it up, but we'll shape it up next time.
Yeah.
Yes? Don't move. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay, no. Move your
Don't
hands.
cover it, just close your eyes.
That ice cream with the green one.
No, I can't give him that. That's too hot for him.
I can stay here. Can we move?
No, stand up. Stand up.
Yeah, he can
Stand
sit
down.
down.
Oops, sorry. Sit down, big boy.
He can sit here.
Come here.
He look
Got a
like-
surprise for you.
I watching.
Close your eyes.
He
Close
gonna
your
spray you with magic spray. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Smells nice. Wow. Oops. Okay.
Close
Sorry.
your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay, finish.
Give him the green one.
Wow. Look at
Good
you.
job. Look at that. I look at the camera. Look. Say cheese.
AJ, if you see yourself, what are you gonna do?
Never look in the
Huh?
mirror.
Don't move. Let me brush you off. Nice. You were such a good boy, AJ.
Yeah.
Wow. AJ, you were such a good boy. Is daddy happy? Is mommy happy?
Of course.
Give me a touch. Yes.
That was.
Give me another touch. Give me another touch. Give me another
Wait,
touch.
let me get.
Wow. Give me another touch. Yeah. Okay, guys, as you see, that was AJ's first haircut. Okay, guys, it was crazy. Guys, you don't want to traumatize the kids for the first haircut. Anytime you're doing a kid, be patient with the kid and don't try to give them the sharpest haircut for the first haircut. Okay, guys, always find a haircut that will suit you and that child that you think will be reasonable. Don't go over the top, guys. But anyhow, enough talking. It's your boy Mo the Barber, always on point, never disappoint. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Bless up.